Welcome back. Today, we are in the cockpit of the incredible Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner to celebrate a century of aviation excellence. We are flying in the beautiful Lufthansa 100th anniversary livery, so I am going to show you how to take this bird from a cold and dark state to engine start here in Aerofly FS. First of all, we need to wake up the aircraft. Look at the overhead panel and locate the battery switches and flip it to on. You will see the screens begin their alignment. To save the batteries, let's connect external power. Look for the EXT PWR switches. If the ground power unit is connected, click primary to bring the full electrical system online. So now that we have power, let's start the APU so we can be self-sufficient. Turn the APU selector to start and let it spring back to on. On your display, you can monitor the APU spooling up. Once it says running, the aircraft is now generating its own power and air. Before we handle fuel or engines, we need to turn on the beacon lights. This red flashing light warns ground crew that the aircraft is becoming active. Next, move to the fuel panel, turn on all the fuel pumps to ensure a steady flow to the engines. Now it's time for hydraulics. These power your flight controls and brakes. In the 787, we want to ensure our electric primary pumps and demand pumps are set to auto or on. Check your status display to ensure pressure is building in the left, central and the right systems. Now for the main event. Ensure your throttles are at idle and on the overhead. Turn the engine number 2 start selector to start. Watch your primary flight display. As the nitrogen reaches roughly 20%, move the fuel control switch on the pedestal to run. You will see the exhaust gas temperature rise. That's a successful light off. Once engine number 2 stabilizes, repeat the exact same process for engine number 1. And there you have it. The Lufthansa 100th anniversary Dreamliner is powered up and ready for taxi. If this helped you get into the air in Aerofly FS, give this video a like and subscribe for more flight simulator tutorials. See you in the skies.